Welcome to the best picks. The best Nvidia Jetson Nano is probably one of the most versatile and accessible AI development platforms available today, allowing makers, students, and professionals to explore the exciting world of artificial intelligence and machine learning with its compact size, impressive processing power, and surprisingly affordable price point, making it a game changer for both hobbyists and serious developers looking to build and deploy AI applications on the edge. Number 5. Nvidia Jetson Nano Kit. It's a low-cost AI computer, perfect for running modern AI workloads. It's incredibly energy efficient, using as little as 5 watts of power. It delivers amazing computing power for its size. This makes it ideal for a wide range of AI applications. This little powerhouse consumes only 5 watts, making it perfect for various projects and applications. It's supported by the Nvidia Jetpack SDK, making development easier and more efficient. This simplifies the process for developers of all levels. It comes with a wide range of I/O options, including GPIO and CSI. This allows easy connection to various sensors for diverse AI applications. It's easy to set up with a simple SD card image. Get started quickly and easily with the proven software stack. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, it's the perfect tool for your AI projects. It simplifies the development process and reduces overall effort. What we like. It's incredibly affordable and energy efficient, perfect for running modern AI workloads. If you're a student, hobbyist, or on a budget and are looking for a powerful AI computer, this is the one for you. It's easy to get started with and has a wide range of applications. What people say. The Jetson Nano, despite its likeness to other single-board computers, it is categorically different than other SBCs with an ARM SoC. Indeed, the Jetson Nano is a system-on-module, and is specifically built with intelligent systems design, machine learning, robotics, etc., as its primary purpose. Very capable board for developing your AI software. Not nearly as fast as dedicated AI hardware or even a good desktop at learning. It's still more than adequate for a portable device you can experiment with in the field after you let a strong machine do the learning. The Nano comes with a fully supported LTS Ubuntu distribution fully customized and supported for the Jetson Nano. There are no incompatibilities nor issues. It also comes with a full developer's kit for artificial intelligence development. Why? Well, this sucker has an Nvidia GPU on board. It's a Tegra on steroids. Number 4. Arducam 8MP IMX219 camera. This camera is perfect for high-quality imaging. It's designed for seamless integration with Nvidia Jetson Orin platforms, delivering sharp and detailed images. It boasts an 8-megapixel sensor, capturing images with a maximum resolution of 3280 by 2464 pixels. Experience crisp, clear visuals like never before. It offers a range of frame rates to suit your needs, from high-resolution stills to smooth video. You can choose the perfect setting for your application. With a wide field of view, it captures more of your surroundings in each shot. Its 3.04mm focal length provides a 62.2-degree horizontal and 48.8-degree vertical angle of view. It's primarily designed for the Nvidia Jetson Orin NX and AGX Orin platforms. It also works with Raspberry Pi Compute Modules 3 and 3 Plus, but not standard Raspberry Pi models. While it's compatible with the Jetson Developer Kit, support for other third-party boards isn't guaranteed. Please check compatibility before purchase. It has an integral IR filter, meaning it captures only visible light. This makes it ideal for applications where infrared light is not needed. What we like. This camera captures crisp, high-resolution images at various frame rates, suitable for a range of applications. If you need a high-quality camera for your AI projects and require flexibility in frame rates, this is an excellent choice. It's compatible with several platforms, making it versatile. What people say. Worked as described, good resolution, low lag. Number 3. JetBot AI Kit Accessories. This highly integrated expansion board makes adding functionality to your JetBot a breeze. No more messy wiring, just simple assembly and you're ready to go. Enjoy high-speed Wi-Fi and stable Bluetooth communication with this AC8265 adapter. It ensures low latency for smooth operation. This 8MP camera boasts a 160 degrees field of view and an IMX219 sensor. It's perfect for facial recognition, object classification, and real-time monitoring. It's designed for seamless wireless communication and easy setup. Simply plug it in and start using it. It comes with ROS Nodes code, making it easy to get started with the robot operating system. Learn the ROS system framework and concepts quickly. What we like. It offers seamless integration, high-speed wireless connectivity, and ROS support for simplified development. If you're building a robot and value ease of use and wireless capabilities, this kit is ideal. It streamlines the development process and is perfect for beginners. What people say. The instructions were easy to follow to build it and the product is very sturdy. JetBot ideas are easily found on the Nvidia site. Product was easy to assemble. Works great with the Jetson Nano. Number 2. Jetson Nano IMX219 camera. It boasts an impressive 8-megapixel resolution, capturing images at 3280 by 2464. This ensures crisp, detailed visuals for your projects. With a 160-degree field of view, it captures a remarkably broad perspective. This is perfect for applications needing a wide visual range. It utilizes the advanced IMX219 sensor, renowned for its high-quality image capture. Experience superior clarity and detail in your images. It's designed for easy integration with various platforms, including Nvidia Jetson Nano and Raspberry Pi models. Setup is quick and straightforward. It's ideal for AI projects such as face recognition, road mark detection, and license plate recognition. It's ready to power your next AI innovation. It's lightweight and easy to use, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Get started with your projects quickly and efficiently. What we like. With its wide field of view and high resolution, it's perfect for capturing expansive scenes. If you need a wide-angle view for your AI projects and prefer ease of use, this camera is a great option. It's compatible with various boards, offering flexibility. What people say. After switching the CSI cable to 22-pin camera side 15-pin Jetson Orange side camera is working great. Nice little camera. Easy to set up on Nvidia Jetson Nano for ML testing rig. You could also use the Raspberry Pi camera if you already have one, but the time you save from not having to install and configure device drivers is well worth the couple dollar difference. Works as advertised with my Nvidia Nano wide-angle lens. Number 1. Waveshare MX219-168MP camera. This 8MP camera boasts incredible features, perfect for various applications. It's lightweight, easy to use, and ready to enhance your projects. Capture stunning detail with its 8-megapixel resolution. The 162 degrees field of view ensures you won't miss a thing. It's equipped with IR cut technology, enabling excellent performance in low-light conditions. See clearly, day or night. It seamlessly integrates with Jetson Nano 2 GB, and Raspberry Pi compute modules. It's designed for easy setup and use. Ideal for AI projects, it's perfect for facial recognition, road marking recognition, and license plate reading. Unlock the potential of your AI applications. This camera utilizes the high-quality IMX219 sensor, ensuring superior image quality and performance. Experience the difference. What we like. It provides infrared night vision capabilities and a wide field of view, expanding your AI project possibilities. If you need a camera that can see in low-light conditions and capture wide scenes, this is the one for you. It's ideal for security and surveillance applications. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.